Hey, do you want to learn how to convert a drive from MBR to GPT during Windows 11 installation? In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it, so let's get to it. So while I was trying to install Windows 11 on my NVMe drive, I found out that you need to convert it to GPT instead of MBR. So in order to do it, you need to go over to your keyboard and press both of these keys together, which is Shift plus F10, which is going to open up this command prompt. Great. Now you need to type in this command here, which is disk part. Then you need to type in list disk, which is going to give you the list of all the disk drives you got. Now you need to find the disk that you need to select. For me, it is disk 2. Say select disk 2 and clean it, which is going to clean the disk. And then you need to type convert GPT and press enter. Now you need to press on refresh, select your disk and press next, which is going to go through. And now you can install Windows 11 on your NVMe or any other drive that you want to install. And that's it. That's how to do it. See you again in the next video. Bye for now.